one and all. Today we are going to know a new concept which is related to decimals and fractions. We have learned what exactly are the fractions and what exactly are the decimals. Now we are going to look about how to convert a decimal number to a fraction number, as well as how to convert a fraction to a decimal number. That is what we are saying, what we are learning, decimal to fractions and fractions to decimals. How do you want to convert a decimal number into a fraction number? It is very simple. We have to check how many digits are there after in the decimal part. How many digits are there in the decimal part? So if there is 3 digits in the decimal part, as I'm showing in this table column, so what you have to write, you have to write all the digits at one place and you have to write divided by 100. For example, it is the given number is 0.24. So now how we'll be reading it out? We'll be reading it as, and 2 is in the tens place and 4 is in hundreds place. So if I want to convert this one in the form of a fraction, it is very simple. I'll be writing 24 divided by 100, and this 24 will be in the integer part or whole part. It will be not in the decimal part. That one you have to consider, my dear students. Next, how do you convert a decimal to a fraction? It is also a very easy concept. For example, the fraction has been given 5 by 10. So now we'll be going in the reverse manner. So what they have given there is 1 0 in the denominator. So one digit from the integer part, it will be going to the decimal part. So initially 5 is in the integer one. So now it will be transforming into the decimal part. So it will become 0.5. Or the question which was given in our slide is nothing but how to convert a decimal to a fraction. What is the decimal here? 0.5. After the decimal part, how many digits are there? Only one digit. And what is that digit? It is 5. So I can write it as 5 by 10. So I can write it as 5 by 10. Same, now in this example, we are having 0.84. So otherwise we'll be calling it a 0.84. So I can rewrite this one in the fraction as 84 by 100. Why? Because in the decimal part, we are having two digits. That is why in the denominator, I'll be writing 1 followed with 2 zeros. I'll be writing 1 followed with 2 zeros over there. So here it is 1.589. So I can write this one as 1589 by 1000, or you can write it in the form of a mixed fraction, that is nothing but 1 into 589 by 1000. You can write it in any manner. You will be getting the same answer at the end.